Can you believe it? It's December 1st in Omaha, Nebraska. There's snow on the ground and it's cold. Well, that's a lot different than we were used to. All right, let's talk about what's going on in the mortgage market right now. Rates are changing. They're going higher. I hear people ask all the time, they think rates are going lower. Follow the economic reports, follow the concerns about inflation, follow the concerns about debt. It's a big problem right now. I don't believe rates are going lower. Have you contacted me? Have you talked about where rates are right now? Have you locked in your low rate? If you haven't, call today. Call the mortgage doctor. Let's talk about today's topic, setting up an emergency fund. What do you have to do to set up an emergency fund? Number one, start small. Set a goal that's achievable so that you can realize success. Number two, set up an automatic deduction from your paycheck. It automatically goes into a savings account. Create that emergency fund. Feed the emergency fund. Don't give yourself an opportunity for that money to get into your checking account so you can spend it. All right, let's talk about number three. Number three, reduce your expenses. Again, just like last video where we talked about setting up your budget, you've got to, when you reduce your expenses, you don't have more money to spend, you have more money to save. All right, there's a new concept. Save, create an emergency fund. All right, what will you do? Here's the number one question you have to ask yourself. What will you do in a financial emergency? If you do not have the resources for a financial emergency, you could face catastrophe. That means you have to borrow money at higher interest rates. You have to borrow money from people, your family or friends. Maybe that's embarrassing. Maybe you don't want to do that. Be prepared for a financial emergency. Take this wisdom. Let's get our budget set up. Let's get our financial emergency fund set up. Let's talk in 2 weeks. Hopefully it'll be warmer than it is today. Thanks.